Hello everyone, today we are going to look at this beautiful 2011 K5. It has 146,599 kilometers and it's in a very good condition for its age. Anyone who is interested for owning this beautiful car, feel free to contact me. And for those who wants to export this car, you can also reach out to me anytime. It's a great opportunity to have this beautiful and reliable K5. Okay, let's walk through exterior. As you can see, the exterior is clean and well maintained. The black paint shines nicely and the body is in a great shape with no major dents or scratches, as you can see. It also comes with good tires, as you are ready to drive without extra expenses. Yeah, we can say you can buy and just drive it. It's very beautiful and nice. Let me show you from other angles, back sides. Yeah, K5. Yeah, you can see. Very nice, beautiful. The wheels are also very beautiful. Let me show you the trunk. Yeah, it's very clean and very spacious. Let's show you inside the car. Yes, as you can see, it's very clean. The leather seats are in a very good conditions. Let me show you the back seats. As you can see, it's very clean, in a very good conditions. Let's get in. Inside the car is just as clean. It features leather seats that are in good conditions, comfortable, stylish and well preserved. The interior overall has been kept tidy and shows little wear, as you can see. Yeah, let's start the car. As you can see, it's a start button. Yeah, very good. Let's stop it again. Start it. It's in a very good. You can see that it has folding mirror. The steering is in very good conditions. It has a navigations with Bluetooth. Let's test the emissions. Yes. No shock in emissions. You can see D R N. Yeah, totally no shock. It's in a very good condition. As you can see, this car has powered seat. You can automatically sit with this just button, and when you get inside the car, automatically it adjusts itself. Here also, as you can see, it has this button that you can set the car. Yeah, here. Yeah, it has a heated seat and also ventilated seat for summer. Let's have a test for driving. Let's see. Very smooth steering. Acceleration is very good. Yeah, you can see acceleration in a very good condition. Brake, steering. Very good, very good. The car has a black box and a high pass, so don't worry about anything if you want to drive it inside Korea. Thank you for watching. If you are interested to own this car, please contact me. Feel free to contact me. Bye.